Hey, Kate here once again. I just wanted to share a little with you about when I was younger. I was 12 years old. Around that age it started. I had been experiencing a dull headache just above the left eye. Sometimes the throbbing pain, it made me feel nauseous. Other days I could feel so much pressure, like someone was actually trying to tighten rods and screws in my head. This was so debilitating. It wouldn't go away unless I slept. So I had spent a lot of my early teen years sleeping a lot, as much as my body would let me. And when I felt like my head was going to explode, I used over-the-counter prescriptions, which my parents got me. And you know, that's what they always use. So why not use it on me? It worked for them. Why not work for me? I had no other outlet but what my parents had said, what society said, commercials, what pediatricians had said. So, you know, I followed. I was really young. Medication, it would give some relief, don't get me wrong, for a couple of hours. But, you know, we become immune to it. And none of this worked without severe side effects. And even worse, the migraine, it would always come back more intense. So after visiting different doctors for years, I was diagnosed with ON, a headache that causes pain on the back of the head, just above the ears. So with time, I actually ended up becoming really sensitive to light. Although, you know, my doctor did prescribe some super crazy powerful painkillers, at that young of an age to get into that, it was just too much. You know, they would just give short-term relief, so I'd have to take more. After several trials and experiments, my parents almost gave up. I almost gave up. My doctor also suspected that the migraine was a side effect of ON. So with time, I started worrying that I just had to live with this condition for the rest of my life. I was becoming used to the pain. I couldn't even enjoy being around other people or doing things that I loved, like photography. So anyway, sorry, I'm rambling. It's not a pity party. I'll get to the point. Thankfully, my parents found one of the best neurologists in my area, and my headaches started to get better. He was one of a kind. He actually prescribed me just 2 to 3 drops of CBD oil twice a day, and I could feel the effects almost immediately. It was insane. So after a long session with my doctor, he explained to me that CBD oil, it contains powerful cannabinoid receptors that work on the root cause of a migraine. And it also helps to fight inflammation, and it boosts the immune system. And there's actually been studies done now that people have been completely rid of migraines using CBD, or at least reported a decrease in the severity or the discomfort. This is every single one of them in this study. We all know what serotonin is. It's a power neurotransmitter that's manufactured by our human body. It's associated with mood, appetite, libido, sleep, memory, tons more. Well, migraine headaches, they've actually been linked to serotonin deficiency. And the cannabinoids, the CBD, they slow the degradation of serotonin, you know, among tons of other mood-related neurotransmitters. So it makes sense that the cannabinoids, like CBD, they can actually decrease the effects of depleted serotonin, like migraines. So there you have it. I have been migraine-free and also prescription drug-free. All of the nasty side effects that came along with those, just by taking CBD. So to keep those debilitating headaches at bay, if you have them, it's time to ditch the over-the-counter medications. You know, consult with your doctor first. Thanks for watching, guys. And comment below if you have any chronic pain or migraine problems, and if you've actually tried to use CBD oil to battle them. I want to know your outcome. So like, share, follow, and let me know something else that is chronic pain in your life that you've actually used CBD oil to help you out with, if it's helped, or what the outcome has been from it, and all the great benefits. So see ya.